Hello children, I am Chapati and Sabji. I am healthy food. I make your body strong and keep you active every day.
Hi friends, I'm Juice. I'm fresh and healthy. I give you energy and help you feel fresh. Hello children, I am Idli. I'm soft and healthy food. I help you grow strong and feel light. Hi kids, I'm Paratha. I'm tasty and healthy. I give you strength to play and study.
Hello children, I am Milk. I make your bones and teeth strong. Drink me every day to stay healthy.
Hi friends, I'm Curd. I help your tummy stay happy and healthy. I'm good for digestion.
Hello children, today we are learning about healthy food. Healthy food keeps our body strong and active. Look at the page children, this is Chapati and Sabji. Chapati and Sabji give us energy and help us grow healthy. Children, look here, this is juice. Juice is healthy and keeps our body fresh and hydrated. Drink juice every day. Now look at this food, this is Idli. Idli is South Indian food, it is very light food and keeps our digestion healthy. Children, paratha is a healthy food made from wheat. It gives us strength and keeps us full for a long time. Children, this is milk. Milk is very good for our health. It makes our bones and teeth strong. This is curd is also a healthy food. It is good for our stomach and helps in digestion. Curd keeps our body cool and healthy. Children, I hope you understand this lesson.
Hello children, I am a more jar. I have many candies inside me. More means a big quantity. You can see I have more candies.
Hello children, I am a less jar. I have only a few candies. Less means a small quantity. You can see I have less candies.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning a new maths concept. Look at the page, see here are two jars. Look at these two jars carefully. They have candies inside. This jar has many candies. This is called more. Look at another jar. This jar has fewer candies. This is called less. When we see few things, we say less. Children, when we see many things, we say more. When we see few things, we say less. I hope you understand this lesson.
Hello children, I am letter N. Today you will learn about me and the things that start with me.
Hello children, I am net, N for net. You can use to catch butterfly and fishes.
Hello children, I am Nest. N for nest. Birds live inside my nest.
Hello children, I am needle, N for needle. You can use me to stitch clothes.
Hello children, I am nurse N for nurse. I work in hospital. I help sick people and treat them very carefully.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. I hope you are feeling happy and excited today. Today we are going to learn a new letter N. Children, look at the page carefully. Letter N has a straight line and a slanting line in the middle. Children, this is N for net. A net is used to catch things. Fishermen use a net to catch fish in the river or sea. This is N for nest. A nest is the home of birds. Birds make for trees using grass and stick sticks. This is N for needle. A needle is very small and sharp. A needle is used to stitch clothes and repair them. This is N for nurse. A nurse helps sick people. A nurse works in a hospital. She gives medicines and takes care of patients. Children, today we learn many words with letter N.
Hello friends, look here, I am so happy to see you. Today we will learn something fun.
Friends, look at this watch. See the arrow moving inside?
This is a left curve. The line goes round and round to the left side. Left curve is very smooth and easy.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. I am very happy to see your smiling faces today. Children, look at the page carefully, see this watch and see this line inside watch, this line in left curve position. Children, we see left curves many times in our daily life. When we walk or travel on the road, we often see a road turning to the left side and that turn is called a left curve. We can also see left curves in objects around us, like the handle of a cup or the edge of a round clock on the page when it moves to the left side. Now children, trace the left curve of the clock on the page with your finger. Move your hand slowly to the left. Children, very good, you are doing great. Left curve is easy and fun. Today you learned left curve.
Hello children, I am a cup of cold drink. I taste sweet and fizzy, but I am junk food.
Hello children, I am ice cream. I am cold and yummy, but I am junk food. Eating me too much can make you sick. Hello children, I am a burger. I look big and tasty, but I am junk food. I do not make your body strong.
Hello children, I am chocolate. I am sweet and tasty. Too much of me can harm your teeth and health.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to learn about junk food. Look at the page carefully. These foods are called junk food. Cold drink, ice cream, burger, french fries and chocolate are junk foods. This is a cold drink. We drink cold drink in summer. Drinking too much cold drink can make our teeth bad. This is ice cream. Ice cream feels cold and tasty. Eating too much ice cream can make us sick. This is a burger. Burger is very tasty. Eating burgers every day is not good for our health. These are French fries. French fries are crispy and salty. Eating too many fries is unhealthy. Children, this is chocolate. Chocolate is sweet. Eating too much chocolate can spoil our teeth. Junk food makes our body lazy and unhealthy. So children, remember to avoid junk food.
Hello, welcome to Rhyme, Keeping Clean. I wash my hands with soap and water before and after I eat. And every morning and every night I remember to brush my teeth. I have a bath every day and twice in the summer heat. So I'm always clean and tidy and always smelling so sweet.
Hello, children. I am number 6. Today you learned about me.
Hello, friends. We are 6 cows. We live on a beautiful farm. We love walking together and enjoying fresh air.
We give you fresh milk. Milk is very good for you.
Milk makes your bones strong and your body healthy. Drink milk every day and stay fit.
Moo moo! We are happy cows on the farm. We all love you, friends.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number. Look at the page carefully. This is the number 6. We write it as 6. The number 6 tells us how many cows are on the page. When we see 6 objects, we say 6.
We are
Number
happy
6
cows
is
on the
round and
farm.
curvy. It
We all
starts at
love
the
you,
top and goes
friends.
around to make a circle. Trace the letter with your pencil. Very good children, today you learned the number 6.
Hello, children. I am letter K. Today you will learn about me and the things starting with me.
Hello, friends. I am a key. Key starts with the letter K. I help you open doors, locks, and boxes.
Hi, children. I am a kite. I love to fly high in the sky. The wind helps me dance and move.
Hello, everyone. I am a king. I wear a crown and sit on a throne. I take care of my people and my kingdom.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter K. Look at the page again children. Can you see this big letter in the middle? The letter K has one straight line and 2 slanting lines. First we saw a key. A key is very important in our daily life. We use a key to open doors, cupboards and locks. Children, K for kite. A kite flies high in the sky. When the wind blows, kites are colorful, light and fun to play with. This is letter K for king. A king wears a crown and sits on a throne. A king takes care of his people and his kingdom. Now children, you did a wonderful job today. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you.